Fundamentals primitive in geometry are the basic elements used to construct more complex shapes and structures. Points. Points, they are most basic objects in geometry representing a location in space without any size or dimension. Line. Line is an infinite set of points that extend indefinitely in both directions. It has length but no width. Polygons. Polygons are closed geometric shapes made up of straight line segments. They consist of a sequence of vertices connected by edge, forming a closed loop. Examples included triangles, squares, and pentagons. Object with meshes. An object with meshes typically refers to a 3D model in computer graphics. Meshes are the fundamental building blocks of 3D models consisting of vertices, edges, and faces that define the shape and structure of the object. So anything from simple cube to a complex character model in a video game could be considered an object with meshes. Parametric surface. Parametric surfaces are defined by a set of parametric equations that describe how each point on the surface varies with parameters. The equation typically represent coordinates x, y, and z as a function of two independent parameters, usually denote u and v. This allows for wide range shapes and form to be represented mathematically, making parametric surface valuable in fields like computer graphics, engineering, and mathematics.